Happy Christmas. I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it.
Here we are with the first day of the Christmas Advent Calendar for SpeedCube Shop, and this is my fantastic gift from Cameron and Soup Timmy and the boys, eh? It's nice. I have one of these. I'll get it out. Here's mine. So now I have two. Mine turns much better, of course. I already lubed it. But this one's already on its way. I mean, a few turns and it's breaking in. So I'm going to do a solve and see what I get. See if I'm rusty or see if I'm quick. Let's find out. No inspection. I don't need it. Oh, DNF, that's too bad. 30 seconds if anyone wants to beat me in that. 30-second DNF. Actually, you just have to solve, never mind. just solve the cube and you beat me. I got a DNF, buddy. It's alright. It's okay. There you go.